Do not finalize your third-party pharma manufacturer without asking him these 5 questions. Hi, my name is Amit Bajaj. I am the business head of Bajaj Formulations. We are a WHO certified pharmaceutical formulation unit based in Roorkee. In the past 12 years, we have helped over 2,500 customers increase their business from 37% to over 500% and have our medicines present in each and every district of the country. The last but a very important question you should ask your manufacturer is that what is the system the manufacturer has to record their customer reviews and opinions and feedbacks. मतलब ना हर manufacturer यही कहता है कि मेरे customers मेरे से बड़े satisfied हैं, but just by saying this, it doesn't work. They have to have a system, an authenticated system of feedback and complaints to ensure customer satisfaction. What you have to ask the manufacturer is that, 1. Do they have a system for feedback and customer reviews? If the answer is yes, then the second point is have a look at that system and try to analyze what the customers are speaking about and how satisfied the customers are, because only a customer can give the right feedback of the manufacturer and no one else. We at Bajaj Formulations have a fully integrated system of not only taking customer reviews but also taking feedback from the customers after dispatch of each and every brand from the factory, whether it is a newly made brand or a repeat order of an old brand. So how our system works is that 10 days after the product being dispatched, an automatic message by way of SMS, WhatsApp and email is sent to the customer asking him to give a review and feedback of the brand that has been dispatched for them. They just have to fill in an online form. As soon as the feedback form is filled online, it gets recorded in our software, and this module of the software is directly monitored by my office. We also have a system of taking periodic feedbacks from our customers by sending them an online form by way of SMS, WhatsApp and email again. In this form, the customers have to just answer 4 questions measuring us on 4 parameters, the 4 important parameters of third-party pharma manufacturing. Number 1, timely deliveries. Number 2, response to queries. Number 3, quality of the product manufactured. And number 4, quality of the packaging material. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments of the pharmaceutical industry and Bajaj Formulations. Thank you very much.